Hello, I'm John Gollifer of the GCC Board Directors Institute, and we're delighted to be joining the 2025 MEIRA Annual Conference, Elevating Impact, the new era of investor relations in the Middle East. We're proud to be partnering MEIRA on the 24th and 25th of September in Muscat, Oman. On the afternoon of 24th of September, I'll be leading a workshop on IR and the board, introducing a governance framework in which we consider the impact of IR in the competition for attention and the competition for capital. Following that, I'll join a discussion when we'll consider corporate governance from a number of perspectives: the issuer, the investor, and capital markets professionals. Join us, and I look forward to seeing you in Muscat on the 24th and 25th of September for the 2025 MEIRA Annual Conference. Thank you.